Lot of traders who are new to this game, they approach me saying, "Okay, look, how much capital is required to become a full-time trader?" Many of them have very small capital, and many people in this business will sell you the false dream that you can make it as a living with a small account. The realistically, it's very difficult to make a living with account sizes of 5,000, 10,000, 15,000. Means all that you'll be eating is noodles then. Realistically, if you're going to become a full-time trader, you need a capital of anywhere close to around half a million. I would say even more than that, because then you have a realistic chance of making a living from profit which you make from trading. So do not, means yes, if you have only that much amount of money, it is what it is. But to then try and grow that money, don't give up your job. Have a second source of income. Plan for how you're going to live. It's not possible, especially if you're a beginner trying to make money, also learning also, and you're going to be becoming a full-time traders on a small capital. The pressure is going to be immense on you to try and make money every week, every month, because you have bills, and that is not a ideal situation. So don't fall prey to this idea that somehow with 10,000 account and 15,000 account you're going to become a full-time trader. Means yes, there are some people who might be able to do it. There are exceptions to the case. Realistically, you're not, you have a very comfortable full-time career unless you have 300,000, 500K, and that also along with having a track record. Means if you are just started and you're not still making money and you want to go full-time, there is a lot of glamour associated with becoming full-time traders. People think that full-time traders are like just having fun sitting in some island having bikini clad women around them. It's not like that. You have to work very hard and you need to make money. Yes, once you have $1 million, 2 million, 5 million account, the reality is different. But if you have a small account and you're thinking about becoming full-time trader, I would say, okay, look, can I take a realistic, hard look and take a call based on actual data and judgment and your own capabilities, rather than these dreams of island dreams that you will make it with such a small capital. Unless you have big capital, becoming full-time trader is not something which I would advise anybody who's starting out.